Good evening students. Today we are going to see about the two important topic about the sanctuaries and national parks we are going to see. First we are going to see about the sanctuaries. Sanctuaries are nothing but there is no restriction for the sanctuaries when compared to national parks. So first point we are going to see about the human activities are allowed here. Okay, so whoever can go, whoever can come there, so there is no restriction for it. But here if you see according to the national parks, there are certain people can go and come with the rules and regulation, and with payment they can go. So it is just like that the people cannot go inside. And here the main aim for this sanctuaries means particularly they want to protect the floras and faunas. Floras or faunas we can say. Flora it is nothing but some of the plant varieties we can say. Faunas are nothing but some of the animal varieties we can say. And here if you see the main aim for the national parks, if you see, they want to protect the floras, faunas and even the historical significance. So some of the historical moment or so many things will be protected in the national parks. And next if you see, there is no fixed boundaries. Okay, it is like an open area we can say, and there is no restriction or the barrier is not there. The boundaries are not fixed there. But according to this national parks, if you see, the boundaries are fixed and it is defined. That is, rules and regulations with so many fence and protections are being made for this national parks. And next if you see, open to general public. So whoever can come and whoever can go, but there is no restriction or condition for the people we can say. But here this national parks, it has not been allowed like that. So not allowed for any of the general public people to enter without the permission or without any payment we can say. If you see, the sanctuaries are usually formed by the order of central government as well as the state government. So both the government will play a major role in for making the sanctuaries. And here if you see, the national parks are formed by the state government as well by the central legislative members will as well. And next if you see, the sanctuaries can be upgraded, sanctuaries can be changed into national parks. But if you see here, the national parks cannot be downgraded to the sanctuaries. So that is the more important thing and difference between the sanctuaries and the national parks. So next if you see, the bioreservoirs, it is nothing but the protected area where the human population also it's a part of system, they will be working there. And the square feet if you see, it consists of 5,000 square kilometers distance it will be consisting of. And so many ecosystems are maintained here and species are being maintained there, and genetic resources, some research process also will go on in the biosphere reservoir. And now if you are going to see about the biosphere researches in India. So next we are going to see about the biosphere reservoirs in India. So biosphere reservoirs are nothing but it's a protected area where the human populations also will work there as a part they will be working there, and some research process also will be going on, and nearby 5,000 square kilometer distance it consists of. And here both that is ecosystem will be maintained here, both biotic and abiotic factor, everything will be maintained properly, and genetic research will be going on. And economically this reservoirs will help us a lot to our country. First if you see, the national biospheres and the state or the union territories we are going to see. First one if you see, Nanda Devi, that is in Uttar Pradesh, and Kokiraka, Meghalaya, and Manas, which is in Assam, and Sundarban, which is in West Bengal, Gulf of Mannar, which is in Tamil Nadu, Nilgiri in Tamil Nadu, and Great Nicobars and Simply Pal, that is Andaman and Nicobar Island we used to tell, isn't it? It is present in the Nicobar Island. Clear children? So next the question session, learn and write. So write patterns between the sanctuaries and national parks. Make a tablet column and complete this. And next if you see, explain in detail about the biosphere reservoir, that is, you are going to explain about biosphere reservoir, and then you are going to write the some of the reservoirs in India which are present. Clear children? Thank you.